gonna do some damage in Target. Vamos.
I don't know, but it'll be on the screen right here. It is a new day, a new vlog, and it is officially December 1st, which means that vlogmas is officially here. Just got out of class right now. We started class at 10:30 and it's now 10:50. It was just like a quick check-in. He basically told us that he's gonna lighten the load for our final projects that are due, which is super awesome. And I'm really like happy about that because I was a little bit stressed out about all the finals that I have. Welcome to today's vlog. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe. I don't know what we're doing today, but hopefully it's fun. Yeah.
Finished my day one vlog. For today, I'm going to make a little master file and upload it to YouTube.
Yes, blessed, stressed, overwhelmed.
So, okay, come on girl, chill. I'm taking this girl to pee, but I'm about to go to Target to go grab some stuff. So it's bachelorette night. If you guys saw my fall night routine, then you would have seen that I have kind of like a very special routine that I do on Bachelorette Tuesdays. I like to make myself a yummy dinner and have a glass of wine, but tonight's the first day of Vlogmas, and so I thought instead of doing like the normal stuff that I would do something a little different. I'm out of breath walking up that hill. Jeez, I'm gonna try and make some hot cocoa from scratch. I think that'd be really fun. I'm gonna head to Target. This is the outfit for Target. It's not super chilly outside, but I am kind of bundled up. I bet I just threw on this little long sleeve because I thought the turtleneck would look good with this little like fluffy jacket. This is my boyfriend's jacket. Hey boyfriend, I know you're watching. Love you. But yeah, so I'm gonna grab my stuff and head over there right now, and I'll show you guys super quickly my list. Ooh, also we are gonna open that box, do some fun stuff with it whenever we come back. But this is my Target list right now. Heavy cream, dark and white chocolate, some marshmallows. I think I meant to put candy canes, and then some abuelitas or some cocoa powder. I'm not sure yet. I'll just have to see whenever I get there. I'm having such a fun time vlogging today. Like literally just letting you guys follow me around is kind of fun. And now I see why people do it often. The blinged out mask is back and we're gonna do some damage in Target. Vamos. Or should I get these huge ones? Should I get extra large and then just put like one fat one in it? You guys will absolutely not believe it. Oh my gosh. We are gonna do some room decoration right now because, well, let's see if we can put you guys over here. We are gonna do a little room decorating right now because your girl, I don't know how many of you guys watched my very first day of Vlogmas video. In that video, I saw this blanket and it was $60. My budget was only $100. I walked in today and I was walking around doing some stuff, doing some shopping for obviously my hot cocoa, and this had a sign that said it was $30. Turns out they marked it wrong because it's originally $60, but your girl got it for $30. So, oh my god, I'm so freaking excited about this. Oh, and I also got this, I don't know if you guys could see this little guy right here, but like the toilet seat cover will be like Santa's head, and then like the floor part will be his little feetsies, and it'll be great because in the morning my feet are always cold whenever I sit down on the toilet. I also can't wait to show you guys what's in this box. We're gonna open it after I make my bed. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Maybe if I do it like on the corner of the bed. Can you guys see that? It's so soft too. Like, it's gonna be great to kind of bundle up with. If I do this, I feel like I'm not feeling it because of, oh wait, that doesn't look bad. It looks better on camera. Like whenever I look at it, it looks really cute on camera. So yeah, gonna run with it. Now I want to show you guys what I got in this box. So I got some curtain lights and I'm thinking I want to hang them up like in that corner right there. I just have to figure out how to use this thing. Why is it so complicated looking? Step 1, fix the main strings of the product according to your needs. Linkable design. Oh, cool. Okay, cool. I was like wondering what these little things right here were, and it's just so you could link it to like another set. Whoa, that probably wasn't smart. Okay. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Oh my god. Whoa. That's insane. Okay. It looks so cool. I'm gonna kind of try and tuck them on this side of my bed. Whoa, so cute. Having my bed like this makes me never want to sleep in it and always want to make it in the morning because it just looks so cute. I'm in love. I'm so content. Okay, so it's that time of night where I like to turn on all of my Christmas lights, light all my candles, get everything smelling super festive. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I'm so obsessed with those curtain lights. I kind of want them all over that wall. I think that would look so stinking cute if it was all along the wall. The last thing I need to do before I go make my hot cocoa for bachelorette night is just put this on the toilet. So I'm gonna go do that real quick and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Was it necessary? Is it cute? Yeah. But I think my room looks so freaking cute. But I'm gonna go make me some hot cocoa for tonight. time of night. I was a little bit longer to do the spiked hot cocoa. Oh, by the way, I spiked it with Bailey's and a little bit of Kahlua. I just went ahead and recorded The Bachelorette so that way I could fast forward through all the commercials. I'm really not gonna do anything for the rest of the night other than maybe bullet journal a little bit, but I could always show you guys that tomorrow since I am going to be vlogging tomorrow as well. Let's go ahead and try this hot cocoa. I love that the marshmallow's like kind of melting a little bit. Oh my god, that's actually so good. I've never made hot cocoa from scratch before, and I did look up a couple videos just so that I wasn't completely blind going into it, but that tastes really good. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love for you to stick around during Vlogmas. I plan to post as often as I possibly can, if not every single day. I'm gonna take off, guys, and I will see you guys super soon, aka in a couple hours. Good night.